Hello, YouTube. Yes. Happy Sunday and all that. Listen, I was part of the sub squad for Subway. Me, Cian Toomey, Johanna James and Scholar. We smashed it. I had a lot of stuff on my phone, what were like bloopers, like behind the scenes. And I thought I'd share it with you guys because it was good. It's a nice little bit of footage. The first one I did was sub jamming event where they let us make our own subs. Just, look, wait, I'm going to play it, I'm going to play it, I'm going to play it. So I really can't believe they gave me my own opportunity to make my own sub. My own sub. I was like, meat, cheese, bit of toasted, lovely. Then Johanna decides to make me taste hers. She put Haribo in it. Yep. A Subway with Haribo. I couldn't do it. I'm sorry. Next challenge. So basically, I'm at the secret location with Subway today. But then I noticed this. It's not much of a secret location with that in the background. So, hello. Where's Arron's? There's Arron's. That's a bit scripted, isn't it?
Does it not fit your head?
So no. Surely the guys from NFL are huge, with huge heads. Why? So obviously, I'm actually going. Apparently I look good. I look really good. And I think I'm going to pull off this look full time. Do you know if we can keep the stuff? Damn it. What are you doing?
Just, you know, something in my teeth.
I feel like I still feel like a winner. It's hard in this heat. That was the NFL challenge. On to the next challenge. Cheers, Subway. So yeah, no words really. What can explain this? Here we go.
On YouTube.
Oh, we've made it, ain't we? We've made it.
We're proper famous now.
We're so like. You put a towel in. I don't care. I don't really know what happened in this next bit, but here's the footage. It's the firing squad. I was a master of trick shots. Cian was wet. Let's just keep playing it because I get him in the ghoulies in a minute.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm sorry!
I deserve that. Wow.
They hurt so much.
Yeah, I did deserve that at the end, but listen, that was the sub jamming stuff, that was the NFL stuff, that was playing football backwards, and that was the head net at the end. So that was all the behind the scenes footage of our challenges. It was a really good few weeks, really made some good friendships. I've got a few little cheeky things up my sleeve with Subway this year. Keep your eyes out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and love ya. Peace out.